So this has been my posting schedule on X for the past 2 months. It's pretty sparse. I haven't been quite active on it. The main reason I'm not doing that is simply I'm lazy. So I want to change this. And I am good at building AI agents, so why not just build an AI assistant or an AI agent that can help me do that? Help me stick with a schedule for posting content, either on X or Twitter or LinkedIn. It will help me with finding trending ideas. It will help me view my existing content and how it's performing. It will show me some analytics. So I have built this dashboard using Claude Code. I have integrated an AI assistant with this dashboard that can help me write content and post content as well. This AI agent, I can ask it whatever I want. For example, what is my latest post? So it goes to my X account and tells me that, okay, your latest post was in January 15. And if I go here to the content tab, I actually can see that this is correct. This was my latest tweet, just a video that I just uploaded to YouTube. I just uploaded here directly as well. Yeah, so and then I can ask it, do I have any scheduled content? It tells me, yes, you have 3 scheduled content. And if I go to the calendar, this is actually correct. It's scheduled like for the following 3 days. This scheduled content was scheduled by this agent itself, and I'm gonna show you how. So can you check the trending AI content? So it's fetching trending posts, and it here gives me some trending posts about AI agents, just some hot takes on AI agents. Okay, so this basically, this assistant has access to the content I post and to some trending content in the AI space. It also can schedule content. So I want you to research the latest AI agent advancements. Okay, so this is actually a compound query, useful type of query to test AI agents in general. So it will test the agent thinking ability. So first it needs to fetch the latest advancements in AI agents. Then it needs to schedule a post on Wednesday for me. Okay, so let's actually see the thinking. So I'll research the latest agent advancements, searching for topics, fetching trending topics, fetching content. So it's fetching my content to write something that is similar in tone of it. I've researched the latest advancements. So let's see. Trends. I can see some really interesting AI agents happening right now based on the trending data and your writing style, direct, technical, no fluff, focused. Why this angle works. So it tells me why. And it also scheduled the content. So if we go back to the content tab, we will see that it actually scheduled a post on Wednesday. Give me the final copy of the post that you scheduled. So the idea here is just to go back and forth and just make some edit to it and see if it's actually going to apply the edits. So let's see the current copy, the current version. The current version is that OpenClaw just shipped 20 plus security fixes in one release. Path traversal, TLS minimum. The post looks very AI-ish. We can basically improve it. We can add a humanizer skill to make it speak like humans, and also we can train it on our style. It told us that, okay, here's the exact copy, OpenClaw. Okay, now I will just tell it this sentence looks very AI-ish. Change it. So now actually I will see if it's gonna change it here. Okay, you're right, that's too generic. Let me update it. So updating content. Okay, so the content updated. So let's actually check. So as we can see here, it has updated it. So production agent systems need security hardening, hype threads. Okay, it's still actually AI-ish, but at least it changed it as we told it. And here actually you can write the copy and you can tell it to schedule, or you can schedule directly from here. But that's the idea. It can schedule not only one, schedule for the rest of the week. For come up with interesting, practical topics. Searching trending topics, fetching trending posts, fetching ideas. That's it. It's scheduled 3 posts for us. That was super fast. I mean, this for me will be a game changer because, as you can see from my previous posts, I'm posting very rarely. So with this, I think I can be posting more, but I also focus on the quality. So I'll of course extensively check it, and I won't post without it. But at least it gives me it provides me with ideas, and also it gives me trending content. So here, for example, here are the trending news in the AI space, like Multibot AI network with 1.5 million agents. Here are some posts about ChatGPT and OpenClaw, and we can use these actually to get insights. And here also it gives you the link to every post, and we can use it to get insights. Okay, so now back here. So it's scheduled three posts. So let's see. Yeah, so the first one is scheduled on 6th of February. So quick memory making trick for your AI agents. Add /.json to any Reddit URL. Instant structured data. Now let's see /.json. Yeah, so that's actually correct. So here I see the JSON with the metadata and the comments and everything. And I can just copy paste it in the context of LLM. So this is a nice trick. Yeah, so these posts, they need refinement, but the main idea is that it can actually give you a lot of ideas. Also, if I give it access to the internet, it's going to get much better. It shows me analytics, which is cool. So I can have everything in one place. In the future, I can add LinkedIn the same way, and I can add YouTube. Okay, for YouTube, I can just add the outliers analysis. For example, if you're familiar with YouTube, I can add maybe the ChatTube. You can watch video I made about how I turned YouTube into ChatGPT. So I can integrate that here. I can integrate LinkedIn as well to give me ideas too. Okay, so how I built it. So first we have the dashboard, and then we have the chat. So the chat basically connects to the backend. The backend is where the data lives from Postgres, with the cached data as well for fast access, and also the AI agent. And when the user asks a question, first it goes to the chat, and then the chat will send it to the API. The API will call the agent service, and the agent service, if it needs any access to tools, it can call the API to get any data. But if it needs access to external data, like trending topics, or it needs access to recent posts, it goes to the bird skill or to the bird service that I'm using. How does the agent loop work? So first, the user is going to ask a question, like create a post about AI. And then this request will go to the prompt, which is the agent prompt that we define. And then this prompt will go to our LLM. In this case is Claude. So the model is going to think, does it actually need more information to write the post? For example, if I tell it write a post about trending AI topics, it first needs information, like it needs to know what are the trending AI topics right now. So it's going to go call the tool. So the tool will enable the search for trending posts, and then it's going to give the results to the LLM. We'll add it to the context to formulate a response, and then it returns that response to the user. It also generates the draft. Okay, so now here are the tools that my agent have access to. There are content tools, like to create content, to list the content that already exists, that I already posted, to update a piece of content. For example, if the content is scheduled, then it can just edit the draft. It can either delete a post on X, or it can delete the draft. About ideas, so it can either save an idea or list the ideas, because the ideas, whenever I have an idea, I can just tell the agent to add it to the ideas list. Also analytics and also sync, so it can synchronize the data from X posts to our database, or it can also get any pending interactions. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to learn more about AI agents, you can check out my channel. Most of my videos revolve around building AI agents. If you have any question, please leave it in the comments. Yeah, that was all. Thank you so much for your time and watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.